Hey guys, it's your girl One Defect, and I'm back again with another wig tutorial. Of course. So obviously you can see that it's gonna be a wig tutorial, so let's just get into it. So this is how I parted the wig according to the sizes medium braids. So let's just get into it. So over here I've already started. I was like halfway through. It's nothing difficult, it's not a big deal, it's quite simple actually. So there's not even much to explain. What I'm just doing is using the crochet needle to first of all, when I pick one hairpiece that I showed you saw earlier, I pick one and then I separate. I take a little piece of that strand, then I crochet it into the net. Then I use that to tie. I put the other part, like the bigger part, and then I use it to tie the rest of the larger parts of the hair, if that makes sense, as I just did. So basically that's it. I just keep doing that, and then when I mostly fill a whole line, then I braid, then I fill a whole line, then I braid, and I fill the whole line and I braid, just not to make the whole wig so bulky. Sometimes if you tend to put a lot of afro on the hair and then go back to braid, then it's kind of a bit you're lost a bit. Sometimes you don't take care, you take strands that are not supposed to be matching and you join it, that kind of thing. So guys, just enjoy and watch. And the whole emphasis of this video, this tutorial should I say, is basically to show the middle part. That's the most important part, because this part is not so difficult. The middle part, how to make it look a bit clean without a closure. Most people attach a closure, but this is kinky hair, so you can't really use a straight hair closure. I've actually tried that before and it kind of looked a bit, I don't know, I don't like how it looked. So I decided to try and use a kinky afro next time. So that tutorial can also come up when I decide I get an order and I have an afro kinky closure available. Then I can use that to finish it up for you guys to also see. So yes, I'm basically just I keep repeating what I was doing. So that's it. I keep repeating it, and so yeah, stay tuned and enjoy.
How can you live life without me? Sexy girl, you got my attention.
I love it.
Call me Eugene. How can you live life without me? I promise you, girl, me never ever go touch your body until we marry. How can you live life without me? I promise you, girl, me never ever go touch your body until we marry. I never go to boom bang bang, boom bang bang, boom bang bang.
Okay, so guys, over here I'm showing another method which you can also use to loop your hair, your big hair into it. So I don't know how to explain this. I think the video is going to explain everything, because it's kind of a bit tricky to explain. I don't even know how I'm going to explain that to you. It's just please watch it, because the English to combine to explain this method, I do not know. Just one of the ways I do it. So please watch and try to get it. Okay, so over here I've basically filled a whole line, and I am going to start twisting. Sometimes I use shea butter on my hands when it's a bit dry, so that it makes it easy for me to roll and twist. So basically guys, what I'm doing is rolling. When I roll the hair, then I twist. I roll the hair, twist, roll the hair in my fingertips, and twist, roll, twist, roll, twist. So this is the farthest I could zoom in. I'm using my phone, so the zoom doesn't really give you the more zoomed in effects like the camera would. So basically it's not a big deal. I just roll the hair, twist it, roll the hair, twist it, roll the hair, twist it, all the way to the end. So that's it.
promise you, girl, me never ever go touch your body until we marry. I never go the boom bang bang 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 bang. So give me one chance. I never go the boom bang bang 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 bang. So give me one chance. I never go the boom bang bang 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 boom bang bang. So give me one chance.
Okay guys, so now we are the part where it's really important to me. So this part is like you're creating your own closure, you get it? So it's just the same as you were doing the first, like the main braid cup. Just pick a net like the way I have. So I just draw a line to divide the center, then I pick, and it has to be tiny because I'm using a very tiny like crochet needle. So just pick the hair like the way you were doing the braids, just at this time you're not looping anything around. Just pick the hair and then loop it. It's easy when you do it. So over here it was getting late into the night, so this didn't really take long though, but let's just say it took an hour to like do the whole closure part. So after I got the center, the rest was just like the other part. I just didn't really go according to the line. I just crocheted just like that. So yeah, this is the finished look. The braiding is just like the normal braids. That's it, just braid it.
Every day I go correctly bell you up, 'cause I'm Mr. Romantic. You are my good girl, but I go cherish your body, oh. Only you, girl, I dare for you, never got that any girl.
Hey guys, so we're done with the wig, and it's a client's wig, but I just want to like try it on for you guys to see how it looks on a head. So before that, obviously I'm gonna like need to like break this down, not cornrows. I'm just gonna like divide it into two, braid my hair down, then I will get back and put this on so you guys can see how it looks now that it's been dipped in hot water and the ends have been trimmed, looking all fab. So yeah.
Oh na na, oh na 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 na, blow my mind, you blow my mind, da. Hold my hand, you hold my hand, and I never go left you like Daddy Bonchakala. Oh na na, oh na 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 na, blow my mind, you blow my mind, da. Hold my hand, you hold my hand, and I never go left you like Daddy Bonchakala. Boom bang bang, 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 boom bang bang. So give me one chance, I never go to tell my bang bang with somebody else. It's me, bang bang, boom bang bang, boom bang bang, boom bang bang. So give me one chance, oh yeah. How can you live life without me? I promise you, girl, me never ever go touch your body until we marry. How can you live life without me? I promise you, girl, me never ever go touch your body until we marry. I never go the boom bang bang, 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 bang bang. So give me one chance. I never go the boom bang bang, 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 bang bang. So give me one chance. I never go the boom bang bang, 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 boom bang bang. So give me one chance. Oh yeah. Oh na na, oh na 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 na, blow my mind, you blow my mind. Oh yeah. Hold my hand, you hold my hand, and I never go left you like Daddy Bonchakala. And they call me Eugene, yeah.
GhanaSongs.org.
Oh na na, oh na 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 na, blow my mind, you blow my mind, da. Hold my hand, you hold my hand, and I never go left you like Daddy Bonchakala. Oh na na, oh na 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 na, blow my mind, you blow my mind, da. Hold my hand, you hold my hand, and I never go left you like. I promise you, girl, me never ever go touch your body until we marry. How can you live without me?
Okay guys, so let me just reduce this. Obviously, you can tell that this is one of the favorite hairstyles out of the ones I showed you. I really love this hairstyle. It makes the wig look so natural, like it's braided on my head, if you get what I'm saying. So, all said and done, I'm gonna say goodbye once again. I hate saying goodbye, like, because you see me again. So guys, if you really love this video, just let me know. Of course, how could I make a wig tutorial and not show you how to style it? Like, it's like buying a machine without an instruction manual. Like, that's it. But anyway, it's me. I'm gonna show you. This is how you should be giving me a chance. So subscribe to my channel, guys. Like it. Tap the notification bell. Okay guys, I'm off. Bye. I love you, and I'll see you another week again. So in case you're not in Ghana, or you're in Ghana, you don't know the title of the song. He's called Kwame Eugene, and the title of the song is what? Boom bang bang. Boom bang bang. Yes. So guys, I'll see you later. Mwah, 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 mwah.